1943, Theory of Human Motivation. This is the title of the paper. This is the title of the paper. So he prepared a theory and he's published his theory in, as a research paper, and this is the title of the paper. So actually, our 1943 he published that one, and after that he came to know that he wanted some type of modifications. This the existing theory that he has created. So he refined the theory and published as book, and that book is called The Motivation and Personality. So maybe even I was, you can see some of the videos are there. Maslow's live interviews are there. 1940, 1950, 50s live interviews are there. It is available in YouTube also. So very interesting regarding this. There are so many discussions regarding this book. That is Motivation and Personality books. It is available in the YouTube channel. If you're interested, go and see the interesting interview of Abraham Maslow during that time. So since then, this theory was remained as a popular subject in several disciplines. It is not actually regarding a particular subject. It is related to so many things. It's related to sociology, psychology, management. So it is not a single subject. So of Maslow's theory. So the theory was classical theory, and it is related to the human motivation. So actually, it is related to human motivation. Let us see the picture. Every time we are taking a ladder and seeing that how can you reach on top of this particular pyramid. So this is actually the influential factor for creating a model like this. So maybe you look at this pyramid. So this is the picture that you are seeing here. So once you are standing outside itself, the mind itself, you have an inspiration that you want to become on top of that particular pyramid. So this is the important thing that is created the theory of motivation. The theory based on the assumption there is a hierarchy of 5 needs with each individual. So the Maslows came to know that there is 5 need factors, and 5 need factors are the real inspiring things for each and every individual. So each and every individual there will be 5 important inspiration factors. So but the 5 factors are there, but the need factor for each and every situation is varying. It is depending upon the person, it is depending upon the situation, it is depending upon the place. So that is why the need factor is varying from person to person and situation to situation. So actually, it is based on the humanistic approach, and it's the oncology of study, and applying to different situations. Like you can apply in business, education, that is psychology, sociology. So it is actually an interdisciplinary subject. Even HR also you can apply in human resource management also same situation. So it is an interdisciplinary subject. This one. So in the same way, what you are seeing in the picture, you want to move to the top. So that is what actually Maslow saying that the point is called a self-actualization point. So according to Maslow, we have 5 categories of needs. So this is the concept of needs. So there are other classifications are there. Classifications are there. So according to Maslow, then 5. Look at ERG theory, 3 factors are there: expected, relatedness, and growth. So these 3 factors are there. And here the 5 factors are there, and the physiological factors: safety, love, esteem, and self-actualization. So many research and so many studies has conducted regarding the self-actualization, whether it is there or not. So let us move to the principle of Maslow only. Maybe so many controversies regarding the concept of self-actualization. So many articles are also there. Let us see. In this theory, higher needs in the hierarchy begins with emerges when feel they have been sufficiently satisfied with the previous need. So this is like this. You see this picture. If you're satisfying the one ladder only, then will we go for that next one. So you can't go directly to the highest peak point. So if you're satisfying the first need, then you go to the second one, then the third one, and the fourth one. So then finally you reach the 5th and final self-actualization need. So actually it is if you satisfy the need one by one, then you'll go to and reach that particular situation. And another one, this research is actually it is a physiological in nature, and it is actually in the field of a positive psychology. It's not a negative thing. So if you have a positive thinking or a positive feeling or a positive opinion regarding a particular situation, generally you can become success in your. If you're trying to become positive, if you're trying to become more creative, then only you can become success in your life. So that is the message that is given in your in this Maslow's hierarchy theory. So this is the levels from starting from the it is just like a pyramid, and from the basic needs to the self-actualization needs, you have gone through different stages, and these are all the different stages: physiological needs, safety needs, social needs, esteem needs, and self-actualization needs. Let us move to this needs one by one. I will show you this is the graph of each and every need. So let us see what exactly happened here. And there are basic needs like food, water, shelter, clothing. These are the basic things. So this is the first need that we're saying here. So food, water, sleeping, air. Even most of the is what we are feeling that we are sleeping at even at midnight, and our time schedule is also changed. So maybe you have a change in your time schedule, your everything during the lockdown period. So that will affect our that is day-to-day situation. So what are the things that you are saying? What are the things? Hello, sir. Somebody has switched on the mic. Please switch off, sir. So there are some type of basic needs that will be influencing, like that will be influencing, that will be creating some type of positive attitude to a situation. So these are the needs for basic amenities of life. So this is the basics. Ron. Maybe you want to sleep, you want to hello, hello, hello. Please switch off the mic, sir. Somebody has switched on mic. So these are the basic needs that amenities of basic needs and amenities of a human being. So this is the first need. So in this need, this is the need for life and survey of a person. So for the life of a person, for surviving of a person, this is essential. So this is for in case of two situations are there. In cases of organizational aspects, the need is based. This basic need is getting the salary. Getting the basic salary is in case of getting salary is in case of organizational perspective. So in case of an individual perspective, he want to get some food or something for recover from hungry. That is in case of an individual status. So need will be varying from situation to situation and person to person. So that is another one. Then another thing is that if you are working in a factory, so if you are working in an industry, of course, the need for a basic need is you want to get a better working condition. So if you are getting some noise or a sound from an outside place, so if you are working in a factory, if unwanted noise are coming from an outside place, so that will be affecting your working situation. So if you want to get a tolerable noise and a comfortable working condition. So if you are working in a place where the humidity is more, so if you have a fire extinguisher, if you want to get a fan or something like that, so that will give you some sort of motivation while working in that particular place. So I'll just show you, there is a video of this one. This is actually how this one is affecting, how basic need, that is physiological need, is affecting. There is an advertisement. So this advertisement will give you information. So this is just a funny advertisement. I just show you. I was going through internet and I was seeing an interesting advertisement. So that's why I just show you. I don't know whether the sound is coming there or not. So this is the advertisement. Just look at this. So that advertisement gives a that is giving a information that the basic need is sleeping. Even if they are fighting, if they are moving towards that particular place in bed. So if you are getting a comfortable sleep, of course that will leads to sleeping. In this type of a lot of fun advertisements are also there in YouTube regarding the concept of motels. I have some more slides. I will show you that one. So let us move to the second one, that is called safety needs. So actually, safety needs include the physical, environmental, and emotional safety and protection. So actually, safety is otherwise called security, and this is called protection. And safety and protection are the two important things. So one thing is physical safety as well as the environmental safety, and even you want to get a better salary, personal security, so health security. From all these things are coming to us in the part of safety. For instance, job security and financial security. What we are thinking about two things. One is job security. So if you want to prefer a government job, so if you go for a private job, the security is comparatively low. So that is why people are preferring the government job. So job security is one of the factors. Safety needs. Then financial security, financial soundness is one of the factors. So if you want to take a loan from a bank or somewhere else, normally the bank will check the financial soundness of the particular person. Financial soundness of the particular person. So if you want to give the financial security, that is financially, if you want to stable or secure, so of course that will be one of the factors that is essential for maintaining the human life. So protection of animals, security of family, and health security. Health security. That is why we are taking health insurance. We are taking health insurance for the security of our life. So safety is one of the important thing. Even police are also working for protect for our safety. So that is a traffic police. They are maintaining that safety situation. Then comfortable surroundings. Safety and comfortable surroundings. There is no violence in a particular place, and there is no animal attack in a particular place. There is no environmental problems in a particular place, like pollution problems and all that thing. So if you are living in a particular place with the perfect things, that case you can say that you are in a safe condition. So safety is one of the important thing, and the protection from